Please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and follow my journey as we discover new places and have unforgettable experiences, one adventure at a time. Hi, I'm Curtis Brewer. Come along as we chase down beautiful places and moments. Whether you're looking for travel inspiration or just need a virtual escape, come lose yourself in vibrant cities and remote landscape, the kind that make your heart race and your soul soar. You'll find it here. Let's explore. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you out on the crystal clear waters of Lake Tahoe for two incredible kayaking adventures. Adventure number one will be a guided tour with Clearly Tahoe, and for the second, we'll do a lake day with friends from Sand Harbor. This first adventure with Clearly Tahoe is a moderate level guided kayaking tour that's perfect even if you're a beginner. The whole experience lasts about an hour and a half, and the cool part? Being in a completely clear kayak. It's like floating on glass. You can look straight down and see the granite boulders sitting beneath the clear blue water. We met the tour group at the storefront in Zephyr Cove, took a quick van ride to Cave Rock boat ramp. From there, we paddled 1 mile north to Logan Shoals. Along the way, our guide Dennis gave us fun facts about Lake Tahoe, its wildlife, and the cultural history of the Washoe people. If you want the full story, you'll just have to take the tour yourself. At Logan Shoals, we got to take in some absolutely stunning scenery. The deep blue water, the mountain backdrop, and the shoreline cliffs. Everywhere you look just feels like a postcard. And seeing it all from a clear kayak is just something you won't forget. For our second kayak adventure, we went a little more laid-back route with a few friends. We pulled out our kayaks and then rented a couple from Lake Tahoe Tours and Rentals. That way everyone could join in. We launched from Sand Harbor State Park on the north side of Lake Tahoe in Nevada. If you plan to do this, get there early because parking fills up fast, especially on the weekends. Sand Harbor is one of the most iconic spots on the lake with multiple paddle routes that you can take. For us, it wasn't about following a tour. It was just about floating, exploring the shoreline, and soaking in those gorgeous turquoise waters. Paddling around with friends, taking breaks to relax, and just enjoying Tahoe at our own pace. Completely different experience from the guided tour, but just as memorable. Before I wrap up, a couple quick notes. While you cannot paddle out to the middle of Lake Tahoe and back safely, experienced kayakers do sometimes take multiple day trips around the 72-mile shoreline. It can take 3 to 5 days. But for most of us, guided tours or day rentals are the best way to enjoy the lake. No matter how you choose to explore Lake Tahoe by kayak, safety should always come first. Launch early in the day to avoid strong afternoon winds. Always wear a life jacket. Dress for the water temperature, not just the air temperature, to avoid hypothermia. Stay with your group and use the shoreline features to keep track of your location. And if you want more information, check out Lake Tahoe Water Trail website for launch sites and detailed maps. Whether you go with a guided tour like Clearly Tahoe or set out on your own from Sand Harbor, getting out on the lake is an experience you won't forget. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Please like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and follow my journey as we discover new places and have unforgettable experiences, one adventure at a time.